Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate SEO audits with Ahrefs, full guide step by step clearly. To automate SEO audits with Ahrefs, start by creating an account on Ahrefs if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Site Explorer tool in the dashboard. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze. Click on the search button to retrieve data about the site. In the Overview section, review the key metrics shown, including domain rating and organic traffic. Next, head to the Site Audit tab on the left sidebar. Initiate a new site audit by clicking on the New Project button. Fill in the required details, including the project name and the target URL. After setting up the project, configure crawl settings to suit your needs. Choose how often you want the audit to run automatically. Save the settings to begin the crawling process. Ahrefs will now crawl the site and generate reports based on the data collected. Once the crawl is complete, navigate to the report dashboard for insights. Review the overview for critical errors, warnings, and notices. Delve into specific sections, such as site health, to understand the overall performance. Use the internal linking section to identify opportunities for improving link structure. Check the Content Issues tab to find thin or duplicate content. Analyze the SEO category for any on-page optimization problems. Explore the performance metrics to understand how well the site is doing in search rankings. To automate reporting, set up email alerts within the project settings. Select the frequency of reports to be sent to your inbox. Review the chosen metrics that you want to monitor regularly. As Ahrefs continues to crawl the site, the data will be updated automatically. Finally, utilize the reports for actionable insights to improve your website's SEO. This process allows you to streamline your SEO audits and stay informed effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.